How to access public transit schedule on the Moovit application. This is the Moovit website in front of you. You can also get it on the application itself. So for better understanding, I'm using the website here. Now get a step-by-step guide to public transit on the Moovit. Moovit Live direction make traveling by transit as easy as driving a car. Step-by-step instructions help you explore your city with confidence, whether it's shopping in a new neighborhood or relaxing in the park on a sunny day. So they will get you all alerts when they venture somewhere new. It's easy at pressing play. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can do it simply on the main application. If you don't have it, you can simply download it, or if you already have it, you can simply update it. On the destination tab, enter your destination in the scratch or search bar to start planning a new trip. Moovit provides suggested location based on your search. You now have the option to change the starting point and personalize your journey by tapping now or options from the menu. And then Moovit has gone through all the options to provide the best routes for you. Like you can see on the screen, there are three routes available, and the one is for walking. Choose your preferred route and adjust the time by tapping earlier or later, or swipe to see the preview of other route options. Now, hit the green Start Live Directions button to start your step by step guide for your journey, similar to the GPS for cars, similar to the Google Maps you use. Moovit tells you when you use your line is arriving, the walking route, and how long it will take to you. How long you need to wait for the transit to arrive, how long you just need to suit the route for it, and now how long to ride for. This is how you can set it up. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to channel for watching amazing updates like that.